हेलो फ्रेंड्स हेलो दोस्तों, my name is Somnath Pathak, the creator of this channel, where I've put only one video which is on a beautiful app that can open up the library for you to read any kind of book, which is in my case so beneficial and make my life on the different direction. So what would my next video what should on this type of mistakes that I usually do and we usually do, like when we use would instead of should, will instead of was, or I should make videos on the books again. How can I read? How I can read books in an interesting way. These articles, like my friend has told me that you should come before to the camera where you can talk with people and suggest the tips of your reading. Yes, I am currently reading my book. I am reading Mindset by Carol Dweck, which is so much fun book, and you can learn beautiful things. Like in this book, I'm learning the principle of fixed mindset and closed mindset, how fixed mindset behave in different situations, and how can we make our mind like growth mindset people. And before this, I have read Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, which was again a best book on early access the many things of just implementing 13 principles. Like one of them is decision persistence. I made the decision to come before the camera and my persistent to think like to make contents for YouTube and to discover new ideas on writing scripts on my next videos. So I'm coming here to tell you something which I learned from this book. Wait a minute, I come to take that book. So my camera was not working actually, and the video has stopped. I don't know how. So I made the video again, and I would compile both of the videos. So I was saying about book. This is the book Mindset that I think visible on with the right direction. So this has almost 300 pages, and I am currently reading. I've read almost 40 pages. It's very basic, but till now I have learned so many things on what success mean. And till now this book taught me that when we backfire by the small failures on different situations, and we feel when we feel it's not my situation, I should not go up to that situation and find solutions, and we still we sit at one place, do nothing for that situation, and feel different emotions like depressed, anxiety, so these things. But this book taught me the real meaning of success is struggle. Yes, struggle. When you challenge yourself to do different things, like in my case today, I come before the people to learn them English, which actually I'm not good at, as you have seen. But how I can learn? By speaking to the people. Like I'm assuming I'm giving speech or giving talk to people of around 50 to 60 people. Might be not my viewers. So I challenge myself, and when you challenge yourself, you find lots of fun. Like I'm doing it and I feel so much energy, so much fun doing this, to come and get some criticism and some appreciation maybe. And when you go to the situation, you love to live such a life where you have no idea what will your life, is it the right line or not, and you can learn from your mistakes. Until you don't make mistakes, you can't learn from them. So without fear, without afraid of making mistakes, we all should make mistakes. Might be that will open many things.